Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and full review of this OMBAR Dash Cam front and inside. So it can cover pretty much 360 degrees, 170 degrees to the front, 150 to the back and to the side with just one camera. So you don't have to do a large installation. That's pretty cool. We have the 4K to the front, 1080p inside. We have even built-in GPS, we have 5G Wi-Fi to connect with the phone to the footage. We have magnetic bracket, we have wide dynamic range, very good to the front, and we have also infrared light assistant to the inside. We have loop recording, we have even a built-in battery or capacitor, which can be very helpful for parking protection. And so this is what we get. Comes with this nice user manual. By the way, the model type is M570. Some decent information here also about the app. Then here the main parts. I guess that's the inside camera and that's probably the main camera. Very flexible construction, as you can see. Should definitely work for every angle of windshield. We don't have a suction cup, but there's some magnetic holder, and here we have already tape, and here we have the accessories. Of course, very long power cable for the cigarette lighter port. On the other side we have standard USB-C. This is what we like, so we can use also maybe USB-A to USB-C, and then even some holders for the cable which can put along the windshield, and then some pry tool and even a spare tape. And then we get also these stickers for the windscreen to attach it. That can be also very helpful, so it can be then much easier to remove again. What's also great is that it comes with a micro SD card already inserted. That's 64 gigabytes as far as I can see. So we get really the full set, everything what we need for full installation. For the front, for the inside, Wi-Fi, GPS. And so for the app we have to scan the QR code. Brings us to the official Play Store or Apple Store, of course, depending on the device. So we download, install. During this time we can prepare the camera already. We can remove this sticker here. Also remove this sticker here, which gives already a lot of information. Also a sticker on the inside camera. Camera is very easy to attach. We just open this side here and then we plug in. The camera has even some magnetic connection, really nice. Highly recommended to do it before you attach it to power. Never remove or reattach it while the camera is working. So you can see we can point this camera left, right, up, down, exactly how you need it. By the way, to unlock this plate here, we can just push it when we are holding it like that to the right side. Something like that. You can see that's definitely a removable plate. Easy to lock again, easy to remove again. Now we can power on the camera. Now let's power it on here on top. Let's see what happens when we put it on power. Yes, starts automatically. Then we have some settings. You can see we have these buttons down here for up and down. Okay, power on, power off. But usually it's automatically done. We have also the menu. We can make an image. We can lock the video here. So I choose English. Select the time zone. We adjust date and time. Also good idea to format the micro SD card now. And so we have already the live image here. Starts automatically recording. You can see that up here. We also have a full menu here. To access it, I think we have to stop the recording. So we have stopped it here. And now we can access the menu. So we have the video settings. A lot of different settings also here. Then the playback mode. So you can choose to play normal recordings, event recording, parking recordings, photo mode, then some parking monitor settings, G sensor settings. The idea is here that when it detects some gravity, like when you hit something, then it will automatically lock the files. But of course this can also happen when you just hit a bump or so. So when you have a bumpy road, don't have it on high settings. I usually prefer the off setting. Then the Wi-Fi settings, You can select between 2.4 and 5G. So I'm turning on 5G now. Timestamp can also be very helpful. Memory card function, GPS, even has some speed limit settings. We can check on the satellite signal, some system settings, maybe remove the keytones. So I have it off now, quite a relief. And of course also some other settings. And then let's go back to the main screen. And we can see that Wi-Fi is on. Gives also the information about how to connect. But we cannot only turn on the Wi-Fi in the menu, we can also turn it on here. When we long press on the down button here for around 6 seconds, it will turn on the Wi-Fi and provide also the Wi-Fi information. So if you just want to use it without the app, you're ready to go install and enjoy it. And when you need some footage, you can take the microSD card out, put it into a reader, for example, in your smartphone, laptop or PC. Of course, you have to give all authorizations to the cam. So of course, I have to blur all this sensitive information here. But I can tell you in the Wi-Fi overview, I've found the M570 Dash Cam. And the password you have on the screen or also in the instructions manual. So we click on connect. We get information that internet is not available. So I choose to always connect, absolutely no problem. Of course the camera doesn't provide internet. And so we are back in the app again. And so we have to click on the dash cam icon here. Let's see if we can connect. Okay, that was super easy. We have even a live view. And so we can see the camera is still recording. And so for most of the functions we have to stop the recording, of course. We have the album now. You can see the footage, you can play, download things directly from here. Or we can switch the camera. Yeah, now we have this camera. You can see it. Now we have the camera here on the left side. Switch again. Now we have the front camera on the right side. Here we can choose if we also want to record the audio. Here the different video resolutions. For me 1080p definitely enough for both of the cameras. We can also make it full screen here. And so this is some live view. Yeah, I mounted this a little bit too close to the rear mirror, so there's something blocking here on the left side. Other than that, really amazing footage even towards the sun. Also really nicely recording location, date, time and the speed. Of course I have to blur this here in this video, but it definitely works really good. Absolutely awesome, great footage here, even though it's only 1080p. And also here from the inside you can see everything outside absolutely perfectly. Of course also inside really nice. You can see pretty much all the windows from the left to the right. And of course it's also recording the audio.
Microphone test 1 2 3 4 5. Microphone test 1 2 3 4 5.
Okay, so that was the audio, nice and clear from the built-in microphone. And same thing of course also from the inside camera, which has this artificial illumination, so everything nice clear. Also outside, as long as there is a little bit of illumination outside. So absolutely amazing what we have in this small compact camera. Really good performance, great colors, great footage, also audio recording. Absolutely amazing. I really love it. So if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.